Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na emse picture na edam screen so no mesremo a hosem. I can't show you the video because it is against YouTube policies. A very barbaric adie bia enye. Now yenya te yese adie we esi ye ewo bibia ye frɛ no kafaba ana kafaba semambodi ni amofa nchame. Eye kafaba yi bibia yese ewo East Gonja ewo Savannah region. East Gonja municipality ewo Savannah region. Now in the video, and you are seeing, I just posted this picture so you'd see. Mamina wojina hona was share adie white ewo ni trino. Yesi wo ye suit say ya. Na say ebia wo ni minim so ye okonfu so den yo. Owe ni wo hu adie. Ena de woda fom na wo she blue no. Yesi wo ye beifo eno hu nti ye bo no. Na de woda fom no wenyi o 90 years. Wo hwa wo bi kita aba ewo ne nchen. Na rehosem ene se ye bona mani wuye. Ye bona mani wuye just because nipa kwa wo ye suit say ya. Wo no susu se wo hu adie obi ye beifo a wotumi hu de esi ne nyama no. Ono ena waka ama krom hofo no agi atum se maame ne ye beifo eno hu nti ya bona eku no. Yes, 21st century. Something like this is still happening in a country like Ghana. Yes, something like this is still happening in a country like Ghana. In some people who are doing hokra yana like odwin hokra yana wonti ase. Odwin hokra na wonti ase. Like at this age, now will be abre 190 years. Na bedwem sei pa ne ye bono se wo ye beifo ya bono ekuno. Why is it that people act as if the lives of other people no they are entitled to the lives of other people? Wo bi sorry ye ka se wo no de wo hu ade na nipa ko ye beifo nti no eno ano no. Na sa nipa ko na wo ka se wo hu ade a wo spiritual eye no. Ade na ebia wonye maame na ade spiritually non stop maame no. So we say wo ade we a spiritual person. We hu say we ye beifo. Nhu wo spirit mu. Why don't you attack her beifo no in the spirit? Physical. And afei mo bono. Mo abono eku no. But it is unclear. The see here answer. Yeah, the video na yenya any information, the little information we got no, and no na yede ebremo. But me obia videos be say eya na mintumi hwe. Ne krene nya minim. Intimate asem we background na me hu picture na me ka say well video ne kra me hwe. Yes. Me obia me hu se ngrofo ye bibi say abontin a eya na mintumi hwe video no because eya abrehosem na maame no ewo video ni mkra wo kan o se enyamia minye beifo minye be chese wo kan wo video ni se wo nye beifo na ye bonasum emma ena eye maame ne saa no na ya ba be bonasum na ye de aba hwe no ye wi ani akope ade na ye de abebo ni trim etiefo. Now you can see the picture right in front of you say e krom ho mbema ejina around e na omo hwe obe bisa say mbema ne de na omo ye na wo mo obo age omo so say hey wo mo nkoso anye nsemfun say sebe we can ni kwan say me to sebe nsemfun say e was say police for a sorry waka e kwache sankrofo yi nsɛmfo sei nti krom ho no ni sebenyanse ni ba ko claim ni ho a wo betumi a stop nkrofo ya ka se masa de mo ye no mu njai bo maame abrewa 90 years e de ade hwehwe ne trim ekuno ya obi abrewa sise be de ntia e bia ya bo ne beifo kan se e bia ni kunu ewu eja no e bia ne mba na ewu eja no a wo mususu se wonu na weku wo mo nti no ye bo ne beye ntia na se bi wo bia we di 90 years no we nya wo bia se nipa kono nso e ba begine mu ama no because obi beka se na 90 years e bia ne mba we he ni kunu we he mi susu I don't know but me demand na eka se mi susu se e bia na ni kunu ewu eja no ne ba ewu eja no ana ne mba ewu eja no eno kra ka ho bi na e bia ya allege se wo ye beifo no sa ena nansenya no enya nansen kra sorry ache eno so sa wo ba bia ye ko accuse na ye se ye we wia sika ye de ne ko eduro so enye oba ne ne fine so jujuman fake jujuman so oba ne ne fine ama wo ba no ye so ne mu e de no to eja ye ta say ye nwa ye tutu nechi oba no ye tutu nechi why we dey say jungle justice are we living in the jungle elibie abase and you still do things like this? What is happening? As some way the any concept police for that so yes remo Ghana police we any political matter you say we politics na ke bia mo nya hwe ye nimu say your politics dia e bia mo nya hwe by yes remo we any political matter nti ye nim say we dem go betumi asomu ye. You can see the woman's grey hair ni trim abrewa. Je wada from no she blue no. Ya bono abreho. O show video abreho. O raba ho san say na die nkre ni. E die ni. Hey. Like you see, a mixed feeling. I am a mobile. I am a buffo. I am a him. I am a mobile. I am a buffo. I am a him. Some crofo. Everybody said be emboa some way in this day and age. Why? Why are we doing this? Obi asemo awokan we say the greatest enemies of or say the greatest enemy of a woman is another woman. Asemo obi kan no. Because omo na obo mami ye we emma o. Oba no wo ka se wono we hu se mam say the greatest enemy of a woman is another woman. Now you see Arehosem and the same Krofuya Womudi Sambo Assembly no, they are not even realizing say Ebia Womo Crano, Womubenia, but woman or Mombompa send Yankopon ain't sure Womo. Now at least Womun do 90 because they yet easy so be near do 90. A Mombompa pa send Yankopon be strong Momo when year do 90. Now Womun do wa and no woman so me who send yet. De Pia and Krofuya Bomu Bay for a embrewa. De bia brewa want to me nanti awaye mre ni ye de hye no se wo ye beifo. In that part of the northern region side, me can say yet village bia ye say witches camp. Na wo kwasa witches camp na. Tre say nkrofo a ye say wo mu ye beifo ye bo mu be ya ye say wo mu apogu sa witches camp no. Uhu ababa wa ba kokra wo ho obia ya brewa. Abrewa bia wote ni baby dwen ne ho ye say wo ye beifo. Ni hunti ya twe no abesi abonten bono e de ade hwi ni trim wejimi It's woya abrewa. I'm sorry. Forgive me for insulting. I am very sorry. But eya meya. Oya abrewa ne sano. You are like why? Again. What is wrong with you? And I've told you, so one problem we are having in this country, ending why? Yes, our spirituality things, no. And things like this, no, it's not only this place. A secret, I won't sorry them. Okay, sorry, send ya year bon crofo, my minimum or mumbre, where ya womoti, a year a class year bomb be ye now, one more any bay for no a bear one. Ebaya wawa obi akwa kokum ne mama just because osofu bi akwa kasa ne mama ne ye before. You'll be shocked. Unche mo adwen.